All right, friends, so as you can see, I'm cooking something. So what I'm cooking is egg dish, and it's in Hindi or Urdu it's called eggs khagina. So I put some onions here, and it's tomatoes here, like 3 tomatoes. I chop it off, and here there is what is in here is in Urdu or Hindi it's called zira, and crushed chili, and some salt and turmeric. And this one is garlic and ginger paste together. And here in this pot there is rice with 2 different type of lentils. All right, so here 12 cage-free eggs. This is the box, but I'm gonna cook 5 eggs. So 5 eggs, right? So this is what I'm gonna cook for today's dinner. All right, so this onion is getting brown, so I need to wait till it gets brown, and then I will put tomatoes in it the next. So these are the tomatoes. So I will let it go completely soft, so it becomes like a juice, and the skin automatically will come off, but I will leave the skin inside. I will not throw it away. Okay. So yeah, just mix it. So it's getting softer, tomatoes, slowly. All right, this is my kitchen. As you can see, this is the outside area. Beautiful, nice evening. Lots of parrots noise. You can hear it. All right. All right, now I'm gonna put this whole in this pot. So I put all those salt, garlic, ginger and everything in here. Now I'm gonna put eggs in here. All right, so I put 5 eggs in here, as you can see, and I'll just mix it together. And then when eggs are completely cooked, then it's ready. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is ready to be eaten. Okay, it's gonna be really tasty. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. Yep. So this is it, guys. Now I'm waiting for this to be ready, and it's going to be ready soon. All right, guys, as you can see, this one is ready too. So as I've told you, it's got rice and couple of different types of lentils. You might be able to figure it out what lentils in here. So I'm gonna mix this with this egg khagina together and eat my dinner with some salad. Okay, guys, I'll